In this video, I'm going to be answering your question on what is the highest amount you can borrow from Fairmoney. So once you just register a Fairmoney account, you're gonna see that they will ask you to connect some of your details to their app in order to have access to loan. And on my own personal account right here, I was able to see that I can borrow up to 3 million naira within 5 minutes. And basically, from the onset, before I link some of my details to the Fairmoney account, I was saying that I can borrow just 1 million naira before I connected my details to the account. But now I connected my BVN, my Face ID, and some other requirements to the app before all these features are actually showing, because this transfer option right here is not showing before, until not until after I do a face verification before it started showing. And then after I deposit money inside this account, it takes a while before the money can be visible on the account. So if you just open Fairmoney account and you're looking for an high interest or high loan amount, I will suggest you connect some of your personal details they requested from you, such as your BVN, your Face ID, and some other verification details they requested from you. So with that, you'll be able to get an high loan amount from Fairmoney app. As you can see also right here, no active loan, but I can get up to 3 million naira under 5 minutes. But then I think this might also not be I might also not be able to get this exact amount because I haven't borrowed money from the platform before. But then that is exactly what they are showing. And then if I'm interested in getting a loan, I'll just click on take a loan now or get loan, and then I can proceed from there in order to apply for a loan on the platform.